All right, that was just 1 can of my cherry pie filling. Now I instantly have here a 20-ounce can of crushed pineapple that I drained. Oh yeah, this is gonna be so good. I gotta add my sweetened condensed milk, my Eagle brand. This is just 14 ounces. Okay, we know how that goes. Let's use a spatula to help us get that yummy goodness in there. It is that easy. Anybody can make this. Okay, we use that whole can. Now we're just gonna mix this all together right in our large bowl. Oh my gosh, look at all these beautiful colors. I know what you're thinking, a no bake in fall? Yes, it's perfect really for any time of year. This is such a classic dessert and everybody will absolutely love it. Look how easy that comes together. Oh yeah. All right, once you get that nice and mixed, we're gonna go ahead and add our 3.4 ounce box of vanilla instant pudding. Put that right in there. And then we gotta add my favorite ingredient, Cool Whip. Yep, we got 8 ounces of Cool Whip right here. Trying to get that whole thing in there. Oh yeah, and make sure you thaw your Cool Whip. Let's get that out of there. You can use the same spatula since it's all going in the same place. Okay, just make sure to get all that out of there. We don't want to waste anything. Perfect. Then I'm going to add something super fun, my fruity mini marshmallows. You can use the regular ones if you like, but I just think these fruity ones are so fun and colorful. I'm going to add about 2 cups of those in there. And now what we're going to do is just fold everything together. And you want to be a little bit gentle with this process because you don't want your Cool Whip to be deflating, and you still want this to be a very light and fluffy dessert. Oh my gosh. My family absolutely loves this dessert. It's always so refreshing, nice and sweet. If you have a sweet tooth, you have to make this dessert because it is just the perfect little sweet treat. It would be really good for church too. You're a church gal or guy, you need to whip this up and bring it because everybody is going to be thanking Jesus that you brought this to the potluck, okay? So you just want to make sure everything is nice and combined. It's going to be a beautiful kind of pink color when we're done with it. And you know what they call this? It's pretty funny. They call it junkyard salad. Yep, it's not the most appetizing name, but trust me, it doesn't taste like a junkyard. Doesn't look like a junkyard. It's actually quite the opposite. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you know why they would call this a junkyard salad, because I honestly have no idea. Oh yeah, look at how beautiful and fluffy this is looking already. That was so easy, you guys. Just flatten it out a little bit. Look at those beautiful little marshmallows peeking through. That was all we needed to do. Literally so easy. Just need to chill this in the fridge for a few hours or overnight. All right, you guys, this is nice and chilled. Let's reveal that. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Let's look at that texture. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice and fluffy, exactly how we want it. Let's get that in there. Oh yeah, that looks awesome. Ooh, and it's gonna taste even more awesome than it looks. All right. Oh my gosh. That is the perfect dessert.